Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. Today we're going to be diving down into the Female Pleasure Society. Or shall I say, welcome to the Female Pleasure Society. Today we're going to be diving down into this brand new hot NFT collection, which is all about the Female Society. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So taking a look at the top of the website, you guys can see that they do have an about section. They do have the product, they do have the utilities, they do have the roadmap, they have the team, and then they have the facts. If you guys will, be sure that you join all of their socials. They do have a link tree that's going to provide Discord, it's going to provide about section, it's going to provide the Twitter, going to provide their blog, and provide their IG. So make sure you guys are following them, especially here on Twitter, so you guys can be up to date with any of the latest announcements. Currently have a total of 66 followers, and they recently just joined in April. Not only that, but you guys can actually see they do have a Medium that provides a lot of different articles. So if you guys would like to, feel free to read everything that they have here. Definitely very interesting, and join their Discord. We'll talk more about this towards the end of the video. So diving right into it, welcome to the Female Pleasure Society. So we are talking about female sexual empowerment for an independent, free, and self-fulfilling life. So the Female Pleasure Society is a limited NFT collection of 4,960 female characters stored as ERC 721 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain to empower women and their sexual freedom. Your NFT will give you an exclusive access to members-only benefits such as free innovative science-backed products, voting rights, and other rich long-term utilities. Now, as you guys can see, they do have a video right here. So let's go ahead and check this out and see what they got for us. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and continue. So diving down into the next part, it talks about celebrate sexual pleasure for women. This is self-determined sexuality and right to sexual pleasure are the G-spots of female empowerment and freedom. They are the foundation for independent, free, fulfilling life. For centuries, sexual pleasure of women was ignored and misunderstood by society. To fight this, there must arise a new idea of sexual pleasure for women. Yes, sexual pleasure is about having fun, but also so much more. So as you guys can see, it shows right here, it's about sexual needs and desires. It's about self-love and body positivity. It's about intimacy, and it's about trust. If we go ahead and continue, it states to spread the sexual well-being globally, we will support organizations and communities that stand with us for championing sexual rights of women. We truly believe healthy sexuality will grow from a holistic self-care approach. Together, we want to enable your sexual pleasure by giving you access to a new science-based natural supplement for sexual health, well-being, and pleasure. Be part of our journey to start a movement for a new wave of female pleasure. Along the way, you will gain access to a vivid community with members-only benefits, power, voting rights, as well as long-term utility. So we're talking about IRL. So sexual health liquid. Sample, sample, sample. Sexual health liquid. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Low libido, difficulties in achieving orgasm or not feeling sexually aroused can result from many issues. So that means issues such as stress, depression, lack of sleep, vitamin deficiencies, or hormonal imbalance. In many cases, it's a combination of these and other issues. That's why a holistic self-care approach is essential for sexual health and unlocking sexual pleasure. Our new science-backed natural sexual health supplement will help to increase sexual desire and mental well-being, as well as a vaginal moisture. As a result, this can increase the frequency of sexual activity and the possibilities of orgasms. The Sexual Wellness Complex is formulated with power adaptogens, superfoods, and vitamins to strengthen your sexual health and well-being. Furthermore, the innovative liquid formula is highly absorbable with no added sugar and is free of artificial flavors and colors. So as you guys can see, here is an example of the bottle. Like I stated, this is a sample, sample, sample. Now, if we go ahead and continue, what are the utilities of this NFTs? Well, we got donations. We donate 20% of all royalties to community voted charities. Then we get early access to further femcare products. Then we got all NFT holders together will receive a 10% participation possible of exit proceeds. Profit sharing, all NFT holders together will receive a 10% participation in distributed earnings. Looks like we got free products. So 5 years of free quarterly product allowance of our sexual wellness supplement to be claimed through our web shop. And then lifetime discounts as stated, up to 30% of all current and future products. So it looks like they have a lot of utilities whenever it comes to this collection. Now, diving down into the roadmap, this is probably going to be one of the most important things about this project. So first, 1,000 community members in our Discord have the opportunity to claim a free sexual wellness supplement trial package by reviewing your experience and completing a questionnaire on taste, texture, and other characteristics. You will gain a whitelist spot for our NFT mint. This will help us finalizing product development with the best possible experience for you. Then after that, we got 20% minted raffle of 16 high-class sex toys, 40% minted exclusive live sessions with a professional sex life coach for every NFT holder, 60% donation of 10 ETH to community voted charity, 80% is going to be 48 free merchandise packages airdrops, then 100% immediate launch of Roadmap 2.0, which we're going to see right below. So for this part of the roadmap, we have development of female pleasure society brand together with NFT community. Then we have exclusive access to our web shop to claim your products once the mint is closed. And we got opening of web shop to public. Then we have exclusive access for NFT holders to further utility. And then we have strengthening our mission for female health and empowerment by developing further femcare products. So it looks like they have an extensive amount of things that they want to do for the roadmap, but I do believe that this is all achievable. Now, if we go ahead and continue, what are your benefits? Well, as stated, there is a total of 4,960 unique, highly quality NFT collectibles with ownership rights, promote female and sexual empowerment, community first with real DAO ideas, and real long-term utilities. Now, here is our team. We have Vanessa, looks like she is the founder. She does have some links here. Then we have Chantel, she is the artist. And then we have Cornelius, he is the co-founder and advisor. And then we have Holger, he is the co-founder and strategy. Then we have Holger, he is the co-founder and strategy. And then we have Paula, she is the sexual advisor. And then we got Lisa, she is the scientific advisor. So it looks like they all do have links. You're more than welcome to click on learn more if you guys would like some more information. All right. frequently asked questions are obviously all down here below. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys check this out. So other than that, ladies and gentlemen, seems like a great NFT collection. I'm kind of curious if they're going to be working to see if they can get this approved by any type of government agency, such as the FDA in America or any other type of agency in other countries. But other than that, I think they provide a great opportunity. You guys can see, look at the artwork here. Definitely have to admit, I love it. I love the colors, background, the hair, clothes, everything. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to join their socials. So we're talking about Twitter, right? We're talking about Medium, and we're talking about Discord. Once you go to Discord, you guys will see that there is actually a lot of different things here. So you guys can see over here on the left side, we got announcements, we got events, we got the general. So you're more than welcome to talk. You can be like, hey, what's up? That's what you can say. So you can say whatever you want. So other than that, ladies and gentlemen, be sure to go check this out. So thank you so much for being here. Have a great one. We'll see you later, and ciao.